my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
Alright, so for the temporary setup, got that wired up there. We're gonna have to come back and put power to it. I'm gonna just bring it over to the positive battery. Also keeping an eye and looking at this here. Make sure we got our oil pressure and trying to see what would be the easiest way to do it. That way I can just kind of glance over here and see it. Yeah, all right, that'll work. That'll work for now. Everything's at 0. All right, let's crank it up, see what she say. Battery power's there. I just noticed we got a little bit of an issue with one of the trans cooling lines. Hold on. Alright, so we got that off. Got that line off the exhaust. I seen some smoke. I was like, what the fuck? Alright, so temperature's up there. It might start, might not start. Take 2. So I'm getting nothing at all on my gauge. I don't believe it should be set the key on power. I think over here at one time I had like 145 focus 140. Yeah, it's at 145. Let's see. obviously I'm gonna have to let me stop the scan. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna have to find another solution for the temp gauge. I don't think that one's gonna work at all. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's not the actual gauge itself. I believe that it is the like where you have to tap it. So the center unit that I have is off the 98 Camaro 3-wire, because I'm still getting connection. I'm still getting a temperature in the car. I'm just not getting a temperature to this gauge. So that was kind of the whole point, to not have to ride around with a laptop, and I still know, you know, where my temp gauges and all that is. So I was hoping it was gonna be a simpler fix. Maybe I'll have to run a different gauge. I'm not exactly sure. She sounds good though. She sounds good. Small things, small hiccups. Man, I'm done with this shit for the day, bro. I'm not gonna do nothing else. I probably had like a whole day planned out. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna fucking do this, that, and the third, and it's like a water pump issue. The fact that I gotta take all that shit back off, and it just kind of pisses me off. So I say, shit, fuck it. Might as well just get a good sound clip or a good running clip or something, man. Part of the game, you know what I'm saying? It's part of the dice that you roll when you go junkyard parts. So fully prepared to do it. And I mean, I usually am the junkyard guy. Like, I got two, you can see I got, that was a junkyard water pump. And that one and that one were both junkyard water pumps. So this is not always 100%. I mean, there is a possibility that they could be good, but at this point, I ain't even trying to test the theory, bro. So we got a deadline to hit, and I'm not letting no damn water pump fucking hold this up. So I'm gonna go buy a new water pump, and then we can get cracking. We gotta hit it one more time for the people in the back, man. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LS Chevrolet 254, man. And I just had to flex my hack game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LS Chevrolet 254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Chevrolet or Caprice today.